Huh. That's a big one. Look at the size of that one. Very muddy in there. Oh, nice 49. That's beautiful.
That's a tulip tree. It's buds. Oh, look at the fern.
Oh,
is that a Tasmanian tree fern in
That's
there?
a tree fern. That's cool.
This is called
We're gonna get a pic of that.
Goodacre Lake. Sanctuary. Wow, 1889. 43 acres. Nice. Yeah. It's beautiful. Right in the city. There's a Tasmanian tree fern.
That's a nice one. That's beautiful. Take a cutting of that. Two seeds in it. Ducks, right? Ducks are funny.
Yeah.
They like cold water, even on a winter day. That's beautiful. Another witch hazel blooming in there. You know what they want? They want food.
You're all by yourself.
Let's do a memorial tree.
You
This one.
go get in the water. Okay, quickly now. School's in session. Yes, you're late. Albert, you're late again. Get in the water. See, Eunice, they're doing their choir practice. Oh, they're all telling him what happened, what he missed.
What they do? They dig up the flower bulbs?
Oh, look at them.
like the worst
Little
thing.
critters. Man, he's fat. So there's, yeah.
That's why squirrels are pests. You see what he's doing? This is an introduced squirrel. He's looking for, he's probably
Yeah.
digging up the flower bulbs.
The bulbs,
It's like
eh?
a big rat with a bushy tail. That's what he's doing.
Yeah. There he goes. Dicksonia Antarctica tree fern. Beautiful. So 43 acres of land was donated.
Oh, you know what that is?
Hey, 43 acres, that's a lot.
You know what that is?
Nope.
It looks like a wax. It looks like a waxy woodman.
Just have to stand on this bridge for a minute.
Or it is a evergreen oak.
Morning. Morning. Oh, look at, there's a little black squirrel. What are you doing? Here. Here's some food. Come here. Food. No. This isn't it. Food.
I think the pond's over here. I think.
Yeah.
That's an evergreen oak. That's a live oak.
Oh, it's pretty, eh? Delicate. Let's go walk along the water and then go whoop. The Fatsias.
Hellebore or something.
That's pretty. Squirrels are everywhere.
Ah, there's a strawberry fruit. One strawberry fruit.
Wow,
Redwoods,
look
man,
at,
they're massive.
they are
the
huge.
size of this
Oh,
thing.
they're just beautiful. Aren't they?
That is a redwood. That's what she said.
Wow.
Thanks, babe.
Are they beautiful?
Spongy bark, eh?
Yeah,
Like
they
really
are. They're
spongy.
soft, spongy. Love them.
Okay, where's my big... There's the palms. Here they are. Okay, I'm gonna shoot a video of these. I can talk about them. Because I know all about these. I'm gonna get a picture of me with these.
God, you barely even notice them anymore.
These
They're kind of in the middle of all these big trees.
The northernmost palms in the Western Hemisphere.